Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to review Mamaitaly hair growth food. Please stay with me to the end as I show you the essential oils which grows your hair, whether natural hair or perm hair. Let me show you the essential oils that grow your hair. Is it your beard hair, or even if you are facing challenges with your hair growth or you have a bald hair. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe it if you like what you are watching or you are about to see. Please watch, be with me to the end as I take you through Mamaitaly hair growth food. Okay, now this hair growth food is for both case, male and female. If you are a male, a lady or a guy, you can use Mamaitaly hair growth food. Okay. And also if you have natural hair, you can use it. If you have perm hair, you can use it as well. And guys, this is what Mamaitaly hair growth food does. Okay. These are some of the benefits. It promotes hair growth. If you are finding it difficult to grow your hair, if you want thick and longer hair, Mamaitaly hair growth food will do that for you. And also, it stops hair breakages. Those of you that small time, your hair will be breaking, even when you comb it, you will see your hair in the comb. This hair food will stop the hair breakages. And also, it stops dandruff. Those of you that you have dandruff, even if you plait your hair, you see dandruff when you apply some of this hair food inside your hair. And let me chip in this. You can apply this hair food inside your hair. I do that a lot. When you braid your hair, you can apply some to prevent dandruff and itchy hair. If you don't want to grow your hair, don't use this hair food because when I apply this oil in my hair within 1 week, the hair will look as if it's been 1 year or 1 month because it grows it. That is the beauty of it. Before you unbraid your hair, it grows it. And it also grows your hair thick and longer hair. If you don't want longer hair, thick hair, don't come. And it's also feel that you have gray hair or your hair is colored, going wayward. It gives you darker and fresher hair. It darkens your hair. It regrow hair edges. Those of you that want to grow your hair edges, okay, your front hairs, you've braid your hair, you are facing problems. Some of you, when you do like, you have to also stop doing those small braids. It spoils your hair. Before you realize all your front hair or edges is gone, it regrows it. If you have a front hair problem, apply some morning and evening and massage, and trust me guys, you will love your hair. It also grow men beard. Okay, if you're a man, a guy, you want to grow your hair, your beard very long, apply this hair growth food, Mamaitaly hair growth food, morning and evening massage, and trust me, your beard will grow long, thicker and fuller, nourishing, shining. Okay, this hair food contains a lot of active ingredients for hair growth. It contains shea butter. We all know the benefits of shea butter for our hair. It nourishes your hair, moisturize your hair, easy combing. And it has this amazing oil as well. Castor oil. Castor oil grows hair thick and long. Okay, for all hair problems. And it also contains rosemary essential oils. Google your phone and see the benefits of rosemary essential oil. You'll be amazed. It's one of the best key oil that grows hair. Is inside this hair food. It treats dandruff. And those of you have this itchy scalp or lice, it also have coconut oil in it. We all know the benefits of coconut oil. Aside eating, it also has good benefits for our hair, and other butters and other essential oils in it. It also has a fragrance in it. Oh God. And it is also FDA approved, okay? So Mama Itsy hair growth food, you can get some if you're facing any hair problem. Even if you don't have any hair problem and you want to maintain your hair nice one, look for this Mama Itsy hair growth food. Please, if you are new to my channel, if you like what you are watching, you want to know more, you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Any problem you have, please comment. If you need some of this cream, please comment. And I promise you that I'll find time to read all your comments and answer you. Your comment keeps me going. I'll be teaching you how to make liquid soap, shower gels, this hair food myself. A lot of stuffs. I also have some posted here already. So please like, comment, click on the notification bell. So anytime I post a video like this, you'll be the first person to, watch it and learn. Okay, you can also do this hair food so you can also learn how to make it. So comment, okay, in the comment section if you need some of my Eating Hair Growth food, if you need any answer about your hair, any challenges, any problem you are going through, don't hesitate, comment and I'll give you any answer you are looking for. Okay, if you want me to do any video on any product, anything you want me to talk about, kindly comment and let me know. Okay, please leave a comment. Subscribe to my channel if you like what you just watched. You want to learn more. Okay. Bye bye.